Okay, let's go.
That's the 483 we talked about.
The guys that we're going to get close to what we call their ultimate potential. And some cars just do different things, and Vernon, he was after another one of those low 520s then, not too far away I think from the next round of grapple. But variety of different, as we were talking about sensors on the cars, and of course the one thing that comes into radio racing, because they don't seem to run wheelie bars on a lot.
Thank you, sir. It's the grapple. People are so nice around here. All right, here we go. Snap back into life. Here we are, Lee Covey and Billy Shelton. Okay, so a little bit of
I asked him before, I said, Nads, how much does it weigh? 14 minutes left, more testing to come, but that $10,000 final is the very next pairing. Hang on to your hats. If you want a favourite, put it on the comment right now. Let's try it. Is it Jace? Oh, look at that, 705.
$10,000 race coming up.
Not a perfect run for him at all. Ladies and gentlemen, 16 cars fronted up. Down to the last four, there were 3 Queenslanders, 1 Victorian. And now there's only 2 Queenslanders, Jason Cowan from Debra in Queensland. LS Powered, C run of Nick Covey, LS Powered via Commodore. Here in a 4. The Gangsters grapple. And Queensland's Lee Covey in the D-stroked Falcon, Barra Powered, and Lee Covey, runner-up last night in that $10,000 Gangsters grapple, and all Queensland. 75 for him. No spot in each final. So there we go, Dougie's got the VK going there now, so we did have the tender vehicle up after him, and we're going to try and just get him down that. Just not taking it. So look, there for me. I'll tell you what, the ultimate test of the lane is to be true. Let's see whether the green car gets down this time. All right, citizens.
Engage. Let's go. Beats a 481. Let me write that down. Hold on. Time a little bit better there to Alex, but he just blew the tyres off the utility on that hit. But Hernan tossed it. 023 line 469. So round 1 468 with the 3. Round 2 469 with the 3.
And thanks for watching, guys. That's another quick hits episode. Absolutely awesome effort from the team there. They showed up at the track on Thursday without even a gearbox. It was brought down for them and they installed it and put on a damn good show for the weekend. Thank you.